What's going on? In this episode, I want to show you what happened to Sophie the other day and how she lost a battle to the Super Duty. Check this out. So I have some bad news. Sophie has been sideswiped. She was hit in the back corner the other day. A gentleman was getting coffee and he dropped it as he was picking it up. He ended up in the back of my parked van. So I just wanted to show you the damage. You can see the damage into the light. This is a big thing that I'm concerned about just because it is creased and it's into the quarter panel. Down underneath, knocked out the sensor and got my whole light. Even my license plate light isn't working. Pushed in my door a little bit. Trying to collect my thoughts as I collect the pieces to my broken van.